Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to diagnose a customer complaint of a knocking noise when going over bumps on this 2017 Kia Forte. So I previously diagnosed this car to have bad puck bushings on the driver's side. So that's where the knocking noise is coming from. All right, I have decided to replace the whole control arm. It's going to be safer in the long run, and it adds up about the same for parts and labor. If you're only changing the puck bushing, then the parts aren't going to be that expensive, but it's just the labor to get this out and press the new one in. So you're going to have to air hammer the old one out, and then if you have a press this one in. But then you run the risk of having this bushing go out and also the ball joint go out as well. So I'm going to take the safer option and just replace the whole arm, so that way we have 2 new bushings and 1 new ball joint. And I've also seen it where you press a new puck bushing in, and after a few months the same problem happens because the old control arm, the hole here has expanded because of the rust. So by replacing the whole control arm, we're going to avoid that issue. Customer also complained of a small light being burnt out on the side markers here, so we're going to have to replace this one. We're probably going to have to reach under from the inner fender. Alright, so this bulb is actually easier to access than I thought. It's going to be this guy right here, the gray socket there. Alright, so new one goes in. And obviously check if it's lit up, so there you go. Alright, so the suspension here was all tight, and what I noticed right away is the puck bushing coming out, like so. So this is going to cause the control arm to have excess play, and that is a common issue on these Kia Fortes. I already know where to look since I've run into this issue many times. Okay, puck bushing bolt. We're gonna go ahead and clean that because it looks pretty bad. Alright, all cleaned up and added some anti-seize. Alright, so up close at the old one. So as you can see, the puck bushing was coming out pretty badly. Alright, so the batteries on my microphone went out in this section, but all I was saying is the new control arm has been installed, and what I had to do here was free up the inner and outer tie rod as well as the locking nut, just because I have to do some slight adjustments on the alignment. This happens when you install a new control arm. Sometimes the aftermarket ones are either heavier or slightly bigger or slightly smaller than the OEM one. It's either gonna make the car pull left or right. So I would have the adjustments ready by unseizing the locking nut, the inner tie rod, and the outer tie rod. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. This car is fixed. No more knocking noise when going over bumps. We fixed the puck bushing by replacing the whole control arm. Alright guys, hope you find this video helpful. Hope you find it valuable. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.